girl, welcome back to Time with Joseph. As you all know, I'm your girl Cynthia. You know, if you can remember, I told us that on this channel we are going to be having varieties of stuff like baking, makeup, and so much more. So today we are in my kitchen because I'm going to show us how to make sausage bread roll. I mean delicious sausage bread roll that your kids, your family, your friends are going to love, okay? And you know, whatever we do on this channel, we'll do it the easiest way. Yes, I'm going to show us how to make this sausage bread roll the easiest way. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. Alright, welcome back. Before we continue, if you can remember this, our bonnet, okay, for those of you that have not seen the video on how to make this bonnet without a sewing machine, so I'm going to drop the link below so you go and see this and you have as much bonnet as you want. And this bonnet is a multi-purpose bonnet for me. I don't know how you use your bonnet. I can decide to use it in the room and I can also decide to use it in the kitchen. So this video, I'm going to be using this as my chef cap, okay? So I'm going to be using this in the kitchen. Okay, now we're ready. So I'm going to show us what the ingredients we need for this sausage bread roll. Alright, these are the ingredients we'll need for this sausage bread roll. We'll need, of course, sausage. I'm using chicken franks for this. So these are 30 limbs. We'll need butter, softened butter. This is 120 grams. I'm using 4.5 teaspoon instant yeast. Then we'll use 2 eggs. We'll need half cup of granulated sugar. We'll need 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm using 7 cups of bread flour. I'm making much because my kids loves it so much. Then we'll need 2 cups of whole milk at room temperature. Okay. Then we'll need little flour for dusting when we're rolling the sausage. Okay. Then the next thing I do, I just boil my chicken franks for about 3 to 4 minutes. I just add little salt and allow it to soften a bit. You cover and allow it to cook, soften a bit, then you come back. We'll use it later. Now we'll go over to our mixing bowl. I'm using my stand mixer. You can decide to mix in a bowl and knead on your work surface. Either way, but I'm just going to use it. Make sure your bowl is clean. Then pour in your milk. Then we'll add little sugar. This step is not necessary, it's optional. I'm just doing this like I'm used to it already. So I just add my yeast, then I stir it. The next thing is to add our eggs. Okay, we'll add our eggs and stir, then we'll add our flour. Add a flour. I made it 2 batch. Okay, I added the first set. Then we'll go in with our salt and our remaining sugar. The salt. Then we'll add our remaining sugar. Then we just add the remaining flour and we'll mix. Okay, my bowl is big, guys, it's really big. We'll add our remaining flour, then fix in the hook. So we're using the hook, the dough hook for our mixer. Then we'll just start mixing. Go at low pace first, then before we increase. Between us won't bury us. One just scrape out the dough from the hook. Then we'll leave our dough to rest for 10 minutes. I'm going to cover it with cling film, or you can use kitchen towel. And we'll leave it to rest for 10 minutes. Chicken flanks is ready. Now we're just going to get it out of the pot. Place it in our sieve and allow it to cool. Our dough has been resting for 10 minutes, or it has rested for 10 minutes. Okay, now we're going to add our butter and we'll continue mixing. Scrape once in a while. Scrape the dough and continue. Okay, our dough is ready. It's beautiful. So just get it out of the hook like so.
Heartbreak is a wonderful price to pay.
Just making a ball with the dough, then I'll cover it for 1 hour. We'll cover it for 1 hour for the dough to rise. We'll allow the dough to rise for 1 hour. You can see the size where the dough is now. So you can see it's going to rise. My bowl is big, guys. It's really big. So we'll just cover with kitchen towel and allow it to rise for 1 hour. Now it's time to roll our sausage bread roll. What did I say? If there's any word like that, so we're just going to give it that design. So I'm just going to show us the weaving and our usual sausage roll design like this. This is the first one. Okay, this is how you guys, you can make your own more beautiful, though when it comes out it's also going to be very beautiful. Yeah. So this is the other design. I'm going to need a rolling pin for this. We just roll. My kids are already waiting for this. I know how many times they've come to this kitchen. Mommy, is it ready? They love this. They can eat this anytime. This is their best snack, guys. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you still waiting for? Please subscribe, like, share and drop your comment. Don't forget to hit on the bell notification icon so you'll be the first person to get notified whenever I drop a video. Okay, guys, I hope we can see this. Okay, so I'm just literally weaving the dough. You take one from each side and take it across the other one, if I'm even making sense. So this is it. Yours can be beautiful, or you can just decide to do a normal sausage design that we all know. Okay.
We found love in separate ways.
Okay, so this is egg yolk, then I added little milk. This is what I'm going to use to brush my sausage. Okay.
We came so far through our week.
So I have already preheated my oven to 350 degrees, as you can see. So then we'll put in our sausage and allow it to bake for 20 to 25 minutes. So it's been 25 minutes and our sausage bread, it's looking so beautiful, so delicious. Wow, look at this, guys. Tell me you're not salivating already. My kids have been coming in and out of this kitchen waiting for this, and it's ready. Gosh, the bread is so soft, and the sausage, it's delicious. This is very delicious. I can't wait to have a bite of this. Alright guys, if you've stayed to the end of this video, I want to say thanks for watching. And if you are just coming across this channel and you love what you're seeing, why not smash on the subscribe button, like and share this video, and also drop your comment. Don't forget to hit on the bell notification icon so you will be the first to get notified whenever I drop a video. Stay safe and remain blessed. Bye.